In this video, I'm going to show you how to post on Instagram. So first, let's open Instagram. And then let's tap on the plus button at the bottom. And from here, you have an option to choose what to post, like a video, a photo, or any picture from your gallery. And so what I'm going to do, since the process is very similar, I'm just going to post a photo. I'm gonna take a picture and then do some edits here. After you're done, tap on next at the top right and then write a caption. You could do some edit here also, and in the caption is where you also put your hashtags. When you're done with that, just tap on share. And that is how you post on Instagram. Now, if you want to post a story to Instagram, what you want to do is to tap on your story. And from here, you could now create a story of a photo or a video. Very similar process. This time, let's take a video. And then once that is taken, you could add text or some stickers here. And once you're done with your editing, you just tap on send to and then tap on share under your story and then tap on done. And that is how you post on Instagram story. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.